Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Anything is Possible from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Anything is possible. Your mind and soul knows the path to your ultimate peace and happiness. It knows what to do to stay at its optimal health. Don't fight against it. Just allow this force to dominate. When you allow this force to dominate, you allow the life force to surge through your veins. With this, anything is possible. Thank you so much, Danny G. Another powerful poem. And this resonates with me so much. And it's so true. Just allow it. Just allow your love, whatever it is that you love, to dominate you. And you'll feel so good inside. I've let go of so much. And I'm just going with how I feel, like truly love. Not things that your ego wants, like materialistic things and stuff like that. I mean, dig deep inside of you. Take a moment to calm your vibes. Just calm down and you'll feel it. You'll find yourself. You'll find what you're supposed to be here for. Don't force anything. Just be and allow it to unfold. It's an amazing experience. I love this life again. I was so resentful before I had that major car accident. Truck accident, really. I'm so happy I had that accident because it's opened up so many doors to me. But in the time of the accident, I felt so bad for myself. I thought everybody should feel bad for me. And anybody that didn't, I was resenting. It was disgusting how I felt. It was gross. I let all that go, and it's like you break through these chains and it's just, you're free. You're like a free bird. And then just follow love. I believe if you follow love, you'll be happy. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.